So the current price is 1824.25. 1804 is the area where there is an iceberg order. So the low is 1815, 1816. New orders are still coming in. But yeah, a lot of sellers are trapped below the 1800, 1796, right? So 1804. So right now, no new fresh levels are coming in. I'm just waiting and watching. So 1832, 33 is an area I am looking for sellers to step in. So let's see, but right now, overall delta is pretty positive, about 1.8 million. So let's see how it goes. Yep, so the delta is on negative. So still 1804 is the zone. Waiting for the low to be tagged again. But 1831, right? So 1833 was the zone where, yeah, so 1831 is where the sellers have stepped in. Yeah, let it chop. Let it chop. And now again the sentiment has turned positive. So yeah, let it play out. But it is a good excess seen. So the A period which is formed if you're a market profile trader. So no buyers trapped about the current price. Sellers is seen here at 1828. Buyers are seen here around the 1823-24 zone. Let it chop. More sellers are trapped below 1819. But overall the inventory is long. So we also have iceberg at 1805. 1796, right? So these are the iceberg orders and more sellers trapped below 1786. Again, another iceberg at 1781. Yep. So today I am looking for a gap and go. So I doubt whether the gap will be filled and we will be seeing a new high. So the all-time high is around 1836. So let me just mark this level. So this is the all-time high in HDFC Bank. So some sellers have stepped in. Okay, 1833, 1834, sorry, 1823, 24. 1860. Yeah, this is the low. So sellers are stepping in. Yep, this is the time to just wait and watch. Inventory is long. The current time is 9:24. Sorry, 9:25. The POC has shifted lower. Okay, sellers are coming in. Now the delta, which was earlier positive, the sentiment has changed to negative. And if you see just from the market profile chart, right, good excess, good excess. This is that gap. And yeah, we're just below VWAP. So I'm observing the order flow reaction at 21. So this is the range, 25 to 21, a no trade zone. Need to just wait and watch. We're just developing around the point of control. This is the inventory check. Let us understand what is happening. So nothing much, just chopping around the 1823 zone. So time to just wait and watch. So more sellers trapped at 1823 and a half. Let's see. Do we see continuation higher? So I'm looking for seller at 1825.65, which is this level. And the reason is we have got trapped buyers above this. Yep. Now short covering seen and choppiness action. So 1825.65 is still the zone. Let's see, do I get a continuation from this level or do I get a look above and fail? And the sentiment again has changed positive. So the inventory was accumulated below 1824. And now I'm looking for continuation till 1836. Let me just go to the daily time frame. Yeah, this is where buyers are trapped. So this and this is the zone. Below this is then, I'm looking for order to get filled, gap to get filled, and this is where there is one iceberg and the second iceberg is at 1804. Yeah, a lot of icebergs below. Yeah, so we're just chopping. Okay, 1826.65. What happens? Does it go below it? 1825.65. I'm looking for responsive buying. Let's see. See that. And this also works on a second chart. Yeah, obviously a lot of data points are there. Let me just shift to the minute chart. And on the minute chart, 1824 is the iceberg, right? So now here clearly you will see The trap buyers are around 1827. 1824 is the where there is an iceberg order. This is where there are a lot of sellers. Below it is where their sellers is also been spotted, and this is where they are trapped. So I'm looking for responsive buying here, absorption of supply, because 1824. Let's see what happens. Do we see how's the reaction of the candle? Yep, responsive buying stepped in, supply has shut off, looking for price to reach 28. That's where the buyers are trapped, right? This is where, so this is one, this is two, 1830 is the next level, right? These are the zones. And this is the iceberg. So iceberg followed by trap sellers, right? Good area to go long or absorb the inventory in this particular zone. Some sellers are getting trapped. Yep, these are the trap sellers who are close their position. They are the buyers. So does it take 1828 and is just shopping around in this zone? Now there's seller trap seller at 1826. So if you had a buy order at 1826, it would have got filled, and you could have start trailing your profits, or book just 1827. Even 1 point is good enough if you trade with good volumes, right? So I'm experimenting with 50 lots or 50 quantities, but here clearly you can see seller, 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 seller. So clearly there is a seller, and who is this seller? Is the trapped buyer, this range, right? So clearly you can identify the trap buyers or the sellers. Again, let it continue lower. So 1826 is still the line in sand, and 1824 is where there's an iceberg order. So I'm looking whether the liquidity or the iceberg order gets filled or not. Just chopping up. Come on, hit the area of liquidity. Because this is a zone where you can grab the inventory or accumulate the inventory with confidence. So heading to 1824.2. Yep. And if you see minus 10, right? Lot of inventory is captured here. So a nice area. Come on. Do I see? Now I'm looking for continuation. Yes, continuation seen. Looking for increase in sellers, because increase in sellers are indicating there are trap sellers here. So these are the laggards who are selling at the lows. Now institutional or the smart people, smart money, they will be looking to acquire the inventory. So I'm looking for the inventory acquisition, so accumulation or acquiring that particular stock at a lower price. So I'm looking for further continuation. Failure or further continuation lower will lead to reversal to this zone, because there are stops at 1828 and 1828.29, right? So let's see. Looking for continuation lower. Okay, more sellers are stepping in. So we are below the iceberg order. That's fine. Still, I'm seeing the ranges are narrowing. More sellers are again stepping in. Okay, nice. Let it fall. There are buyers at 1821.35. So some inventory was grabbed here. Some inventory is getting grabbed here. And now we will be seeing inventory accumulation at 1821.3. 1821.3. This is the zone. This is the price level. Okay. Now the prices are dropping. So the time is 9:41. Let it drop. Now I'm looking for increase in supply, increase in the sellers. So you have to understand, these are not the sellers, but these are the orders getting executed. So a lot of sellers, momentum players are trying to take the price lower. Let them do it. Okay, I'll just switch to a higher time frame chart. And if you see, we are in the zone where there are sellers trapped. So they are the ones who are the buying here, right? Yeah, we have got next level at 1805, then more 1791. Let's see, because this is a big gap to fill. Okay, now lack of continuation seen. This is where the sellers are trapped now. Now there will be a whoosh, towards the 1824, then 1826 to 29. Yep, you're seeing this? And now the sentiment has also turned positive. So those who have shorted, now they are the ones who are exiting. Okay, so I'm ending the video here. I hope you learn something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, this has been more than 20 minutes long. See you in the next video. Yeah, take care. Thank you. Bye. Bye.